What, as a commission, we would like to see happening is that the appointing authorities would take cognizance of the two rulings and lead the way forward in terms of getting the country out of what appears to be a slight hiccup in the process of those appointments. And the opportunity is given by the ruling of the Speaker. And as regards the ruling of Justice Musinga, he has pointed out certain areas that would need to be considered. One of the ones that hasn't come out very clearly in the debate so far, and which Justice Musinga emphasized in his ruling, is the one that relates to gender equality. That comes out very strongly in the ruling of Justice Musinga. And of course that is an important constitutional point, the requirement that there should be gender equality as regards, or at least the gender representation as regards the appointments in the public sector. Let's not forget that the ruling made by the Speaker was a procedural ruling, because what he said is that these issues need to go to the committee of the House, and once they've been processed by the committees, because there are two committees of the House, once they've been processed by the committees and come back to the floor of the House, now if the constitutional issue is raised at that stage, he reserved his ruling, he reserved his jurisdiction to make a ruling on that. So potentially the Speaker could still rule either way on the constitutionality. But, and again, I think this is what I would like to emphasize, that what's more important is that that ruling gave the opportunity for the country to be able to avoid the necessity to make a decision that would appear to polarize the country. And as long as all of us, including the principals, including all the actors, the state actors, as long as we all adhere to the spirit, to the letter and the spirit of the Constitution, then we should be able to move forward with the process. I don't think we are at a constitutional crisis yet, but you don't wait until you have a crisis. I think we recognize that we were in a situation where we could be heading in that direction, but the good thing is that we have the opportunity to avoid getting into the constitutional crisis. So if we use the window of opportunity that has been presented, we should be able to get out of that situation and therefore avert a crisis. But I don't think we are at a crisis yet.